How's the food
Sarap.
that you cooked?
Masarap.
Sarap. Masarap, is it? How's the food so far?
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, enjoy it.
And nice weather, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely weather. Thank you.
We did this last year. So this year naman ulit. So we will do kain muna, and then games, of course. So lahat, everyone is welcome. Everyone should join the games as well. Young and then not so young. Then, okay? So, thank you to Albert for accommodating us.
Thank you for all the food. We ask you the protection of the food that we're going to eat. And we ask, oh God, for continuous good weather, and bless each every one of us here to have really a good bonding relationship and knowing each other. Thank you, God. So far, we've been doing this on a yearly basis already. This is our third year. And year by year, the crowds are growing, we're getting better. Children are happy, the adults are happy. So overall, it's been a successful year for this year, and we're hoping to have a better summer next year. As of the moment, this is goodbye for the summer, and hope to see you next year.
Napaka-successful ng event na ito. Napakaraming tao, overwhelming ang support ng mga tao ngayon. Sobrang dami ng pagkain, at everybody's looking forward to have a new one by next year. So congratulations po sa lahat ng organizers at sa lahat ng sumuporta. Thank you very much.
The event is, I think, very successful. So much food and so much people that came. Very, very nice. Nice food, good fun, great people. Thanks for the invite. I hope we do this again sometime soon.
Did you enjoy today, the event?
Oh, it was absolutely
The barbecue.
Brilliant. We had a great weather and fantastic fun. So much laugh. It was great. So much fun. The kids enjoy it, and us adults too. Like, so much food here. It's amazing, amazing. We love it. Thank you.
Actually, this is my first time to join here. It's very fun. Like, you know, it's ang saya-saya pala. So maybe next year again. Salamat tayo sa lahat ng attend. It's very successful, and the kids is very happy. Thank you.
Well, it's been an absolutely lovely day. The sun was beautiful and cooperative. The food was delicious. Just a little bit too much. A little bit
A little bit too much, yeah.
That sounds right. And I'm very grateful that I was welcome to participate. And it's our honor to have you. You've been very supportive in all our activities since then. So we're looking forward to more activities that they can join us in the near future. And congratulations to the organizers for this wonderful backdrop. He's done wonders here, and the organizers for putting this together. Yeah. It's amazing to see over 200 people so happy. And everything going so smoothly, yeah? Absolutely, and we're looking forward to more features in your
Yes.
allotment.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Look at the egg, look at the egg, look at the egg. Watch out. Quick, 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 go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go!
I wasn't expecting the big crowd, but of course I was hoping for everybody to come. And yeah, so far it was indeed a very good event. I must say we doubled the number of people this year compared to last year. They all told me that they enjoyed their time, so I'm very happy. We welcome everybody, especially our members in Waterford, our friends in Waterford. We encourage everybody to come and witness this type of event. You know, we have everyone enjoying, kids, we have teenagers, we have mothers, fathers, friends, and this is a good experience for you. Talagang lumalaki tayo, and I think every event nakikita natin, everyone is enjoying themselves, everyone's happy. We also give freedom, like today it is just an activity where people bring their own food, people bring their own entertainment, so they have their own music they can play. You can do whatever you want. This is for us, para maging masaya. That's only, our aim is for our community to grow. Our aim is to see everybody in our community united, happy, and supporting each other. Come and join Waterford Filipino-Irish Community. Support us and let's all have fun.
Barbecue party here at Balinamona Allotment. It was a great experience.
Everybody enjoyed, and there's so many Filipinos in Waterford who attended the event, the barbecue party. And
we are blessed to have a lovely weather.
Actually, not only from Waterford, there's some crowd from Kilkenny, Wexford, and it's a you know, it's good weather. There you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the games as well, and looking forward for another one like this. And keep watching.
Mr. and Mrs. K, please subscribe.